what you've been feeling deep inside. Go back now. Girl, what you drinking? Don't let it sink in. Here for the weekend.
You know that
Thinking
shit's
we
gonna sink
can
into
do
your
what we
brain.
can
I was
be.
listening to
Fast,
it.
fast
Like, yeah,
forward. Just
absolutely.
one more
That's
round
like
and get down. I
as an
know
infusing,
it.
you know what
Fill
I mean? How
another
many
cup
pennies you
up.
gonna take like
Feeling
that?
on your butt. What
Yeah,
you
it's
don't
like.
even care.
All right, we back, y'all. You know what I'm saying? We just vibing, man. So basically, I just wanted, I usually do an interview session. I got the table, I get the headphones, I really delve in deep. You know what I'm saying? But I
Yes.
feel as though, I got another mixologist behind the bar. You know what I mean? We just vibe behind the bar. It's our elements, our thing. You know what I'm saying? This is what we do. We talk shit. We take names, you know what I mean? We ask questions later, you know what I'm saying? And everybody who come in contact with us, they love us or hate us. And if they hate us, you know what I mean? Middle finger to them like I did earlier for the people who thought the world was going to end Friday.
Still here.
Lames. Anyway.
Still here.
So, yeah, right, still here. So anyway, I just want to ask you, what really got you into bartending? You know what I'm saying? Like, you're beautiful, you can model, you know what I mean? I know there's a lot of other options you got. What put you in the bartending element?
There's definitely plenty of options out here. But it's funny how I actually got started to bartending. I was young and I was actually waitressing and I was in high school and I just waited on a family and the two sisters actually owned a club and they loved my service, they loved my attitude, and they were like, you ever considered bartending? And they hired me that next week. And so they kind of taught me basically the fundamentals and everything I needed to know just for the basic bartending. So I started there, worked at that spot for 5 years, then ventured on to where I met Greg and was there for a good year. I've opened spots, I've worked at spots. It always was kind of just like an extra thing that I did.
Right.
And it was always kind of just like a hobby and a passion because I am a drinker. So
She turns up, y'all. Y'all
do
think I'm
turn
playing.
up.
She turns up.
I do.
You know what I mean?
So, and I mean, that's really kind of how it got started. And as I was always bartending on the side, I went to college. My degree was in public relations and marketing. And then I did that for a couple years, but I still was bartending on the side. And then I was like, let's use this major, let's use my knowledge, and let's use my craft and my skill, and let's create Bartend Her, which is what I did. And then that just took off as a whole other passion. Like that is my baby. Like it's my true passion. It's really what I'm into, what I adore doing. So it's the best of both worlds. I use the marketing side, I use the drinking side, the bartending side, the mixology, all of that, and I put my company out there for you all to receive. So, and that's pretty much what happened with it. And now it's just my full time. It's what I enjoy doing. So I like mixing drinks. I like meeting people. As a bartender, you can meet so many people. It's crazy the amounts of people that you encounter, and they talk to you. Like that old adage about the bartender being like, it's true.
Yeah.
People will sit down at your bar stool and they will give you the life story.
Shout out to the people I met who are secretly my investors. Little do they know. They know who they are, though.
But little do they know.
My white boys. I call them my white boys. You know what I'm saying?
Usually does
they
it.
have it. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? But anyway, okay, so that's cool. You know what I mean? Absolutely. So what's your favorite aspect to, I guess, mixology, bartending, and things of that nature?
I love the fast pace. Like I've always been told my whole life that I'm fast. Like I walk fast, I talk fast, I drive fast.
Right.
And I love the speed of it. I love that I can service you 15 people, run over here, get you 15, and like it's just go, 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 go.
Right.
I'm not the type to sit down all day, 9 to 5. Like I just love the action of it, and then I just love the creativity that comes with it.
Absolutely.
You're able to just mix and master and really create your own unique front in this environment, and it's awesome, and that's really what I love about it. And again, just meeting the plethora of people that you can actually encounter, it's crazy. You're never going to meet that many people, I feel like, in one particular job setting, and you run through people. Yeah,
absolutely,
it's fun.
absolutely.
Yeah.
So tell the people, the things that you got, going on coming up in 2013. It's 2013 to me.
Sounds
you know
crazy,
what I mean? So,
yeah.
Absolutely. It sounds crazy.
It sounds
right? So,
crazy.
Tell everybody what you got going on.
So tons going on. Like I mentioned, Bartend Her, we basically service all of the DMV, from basically parts of Virginia all the way up as far-reaching as New York. And we have tons of parties going on that have been booked for the holiday season. So all of January is just crazy busy. So I'm thankful for that.
Okay.
And just watch out for us. I have my press going out soon, so you guys will really, really start to hear about Bartend Her. People who know the company, they know it. People who have used us, they spread the word, they love us. Like I have a great team, great group of girls that I work with. They're bad, super, super bad, and awesome girls, just great personalities, great mixologists, and then they look good,
Yeah.
so that doesn't hurt, you know?
All different ethnic backgrounds
Absolutely.
too. You know what I
Absolutely.
mean? Everybody like this. It's like Baskin Robbins.
Yeah.
We should have named it bartender Baskin
Baskin
Robbins.
Robbins,
You know?
right? We're like the Benettons. So
Right.
I can appeal to everything, and that's the thing. Like it's whatever your party, whatever the occasion, whatever the class, whatever the race, whatever anything. Like we Bartender is there for any of that, and that's really it. It's like a one-stop service. We come prepared, we come fully equipped to do the parties, and so 2013, I just really feel like is the year of Bartender. Like I'm ready to rock. Like 2012 was a lot of hard work, a lot of investment, and just a lot of like dedication, and now you're gonna see it. So
Absolutely.
if you're having a party, think Bartender.
Absolutely. That's exciting, man. You know what I mean? And again, like I said, you know, this is my homegirl, man. You know, we go back a couple years, you know what I'm saying? And I just support her. I support her movement. You know what I mean? I don't mind throwing my sign down for her, none of that. You know what I'm saying? Letting her come in, get her shine, because she's doing positive things, you know what I'm saying? And she's beautiful, and you know, it's just a collective thing. Like I said, you know, we got a lot of things we working on together, and it's just gonna be live. 2013.
And that's what it's
definitely
about.
gonna be a
Like,
great year.
and a separate note from us. Like, I hope all of you take 2013 and just be collective. Like, be about networking. Be about enhancing each other.
Right.
So much of us are about self, but
Yeah.
I think this next year needs to just be about
Right,
life.
right.
Movement.
Absolutely. You know what I'm saying? Since it was the end of the world, you know
Yeah.
what I mean? Shit.
Move
Just
forward.
go hard for it. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Exactly.
don't, like she said, don't be afraid to network. Go in, you know what I'm saying? If you see, like for her, for example, she's beautiful. If you see her out, talk to her. Fuck, you don't know what she got going on that you might got going on and might mesh.
You never know.
Y'all might do some business together and it might be some multi-million-dollar shit,
never
man.
know.
You know what I'm saying? So, like, don't hesitate. Walk up to somebody, introduce yourself, tell them what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? So, again, please plug all your social media stuff as we wrapping up this show. Tell them where they can find you, where they, you know, everything. Please, please.
All right. So you know the company is Bartender, BARTENDHER, Bartender. At Bartender, booking at bartender.com. You can reach us also on MySpace. We're still there. Facebook, Bartender, everything. Everything Bartender. We make it easy for you to find us.
MySpace should be cut a check for that. Them motherfuckers ain't even relevant no
Right,
more.
they not relevant.
Right, they
But
trying to
I
get Justin
started on
Timberlake to
MySpace. I started there.
Okay.
That was my
They trying
first
to
social
get
networking.
Justin Timberlake to invest. Them motherfuckers need some money.
Are they? Right.
And
And
Justin
he was
Timberlake got
Facebook.
some checks.
Right, and he was Facebook.
And
Because he did the movie.
He did the movie, right. So
But we're
anyway,
everywhere. If you're looking on IG, anything, whatever social media network you're on, whether it's Twitter, we're at Bartender. You can find us Bartender, /Bartender. Just think Bartender. Like, it's simple.
Right. And just
Easy name, catchy name, Bartender.
Well, just Google bad chicks who bartend.
We
You
do
know
pop
what I'm saying?
up.
Yes, and
We do
they
pop up.
will pop up. You know what I'm saying? Again, you know, I am your host, The Secret Lush. TheSecretLush.com. The book Sex and Drinks coming real soon. I so promise you guys, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna get you fellas a lot of pussy and it's gonna have you women real wet.
Perfect combo.
You know what I'm saying? Right. So again, thank everybody for tuning in. We got one more show before the new year. I'm gonna do something real cool, real simple, you know what I mean? I might even do some infusions, bring y'all into the new year. And everybody, again, thank you very much. I thank my guests, you know, I just want a little hug, you know what I mean? And we about to turn up though. Like I said, you know, it's my homeboy birthday at Mitch Mathis. His birthday is later on tonight, and it's gonna be fucking crazy at Josephine's. But you know, right now we're gonna turn up. Shout out to my homeboy E, the board ops. You know what I'm saying? He definitely always gets drunk with us. I'm a little fried. I need some food.
That's mine.
And as I always try to do it like a little Russell Simmons outing, but I don't got shit to say but peace, man. Thank you. You know what I mean?
Peace. To the new year.
To the new year.
Cheers.
One more drink. For another Jack and Coke. Be right back, going right outside to have a smoke. Certain nights a little sip is like my antidote. Especially when I'm feeling horny like an antelope. Trying to find myself something sweet like a cantaloupe. To hit the sack and make it crack like a can of Coke. What's your name, who you with, where you come from? Electricity in the air like a stun gun. I'm about to have another drink, girl. You want one? Party over here, over there is the I'm loving how the music rock. Finish mine, finish yours, now let's do some shots. She digging my two-step, I got it down back. Shorty spun around, let me see it from the back. Waist so thin, but I ass so fat. Oh, word, you gonna do me like that? I'm drunk. I done had too much to drink. Listen, baby, I'm